In this class, we will have an understanding on explicit typecasting in C programming language. So what is meant by an explicit typecasting? Explicit typecasting is an act of a programmer forcefully telling the compiler to convert a value from one data type to another type. Means the programmer is going to explicitly convert a data type, one data type into another data type, even if the compiler wouldn't do it automatically. So that process of forcefully converting by the programmer from one data type to another data type is what we call it as typecasting, or also called as explicit typecasting. So this is the syntax for typecasting operator. Now within the parentheses, if you give the type name, whatever the type to which you want to convert, so if it is provided within these parentheses, so that is the syntax. So usually it is empty parentheses. If you provide a data type within these parentheses, then it is considered as a typecasting operator. So what we will do is we will try to understand this concept by using an example. So I have taken one big example to understand this. So let's consider this example. So in this example here we are having two variables. One is int a, int underscore a, int underscore b is another variable. The value of a is 10 and the value of b is 3. Now what we are doing is, we have created another variable result wrong, float is equal to, it is of type float. Now we are dividing the value of int a divided by int b. Now what is the result you are expecting? General, think about it. So if you divide 10 by 3, both are of type integers. So the result is also going to be in the integer type only. So this kind of declaration is a wrong way. This is a bug. See here. This is an incorrect way to perform the operations. So whenever you do these kind of operations, the outcome is going to be an erroneous. We will not get any error. This is going to be a bug. Bug means you're going to get the output, but you're going to get wrong output. What you're expecting is different in comparison with what you're getting on the screen. So what you're expecting is it is an integer 10 and this is a 10 by 3. If you're expecting it to get an outcome of 3.33, so it is a mistake. So what is the outcome it is going to get is 3.0000. So that integer part, so whatever the floating point value part is there, that will not be considered. So 10 by 3 is going to get a value of 3. Both of them are integers. The division will be done. There is no mistake in it because both of them are integers. Try to understand this point. Both of them are integers. So the division is done. The integer division is done. 10 by 3 is going to, if you are divide the 10 by 3, both of them are integers, then the result is going to be also in the integer format. It is 3.0000. So this is a wrong way. With this you are going to get a bug. Now what is the correct way for this? So this is the correct way that here the type conversion is done. So try to understand this. This is what we call it as type conversion or explicit type conversion. We are forcefully converting int a will be forcefully converted by the programmer in the process of executing the program. Try to understand this. Now what is that we are going to get? It is 10 by 3. We are going to get 3.33. The floating point value result will also be considered by this type conversion. So try to understand this. So this is the correct way for getting the things efficiently. So for example, if you take two integers, there is a possibility to get a floating point result also. So in such cases where there is a possibility to get a floating point result also, in order to avoid the bugs, in order to get the exact values that we are expecting, we have to convert it into a specific type, floating point value type. So for that we have to give this explicitly, which is what we call it as typecasting. And now the result is going to be in the correct way. So let's see the outcome of this and see what it is going to be. See here. So here 3.000. So this is how the things are. So percentage F, the value of result wrong is going to be 3.000. The floating point value part has been eliminated. Now if you take the second one, the second printf, in this we are going to get the exact result, the correct result, which is 3.3333. So this is what we are expecting, but the things are going to be different if you don't provide the typecasting. So as a programmer, you should be very careful. So these small mistakes are going to create bugs. So and it is very difficult to identify. So that is the use of typecasting, explicit typecasting, and the type promotion is what we call it as implicit, which is implicitly done by the compiler. Okay, so that's it for this video. See you in the next class with another concept.